What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you go ahead and smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with my videos and become part of the family. So it is a beautiful day, so nice out. So if you guys are wondering what's this Mustang behind me, well, this is a friend of mine. I'm gonna show you guys this Mustang, and this is kind of the motivation behind me even getting my Mustang. My friend Jay has a Mustang, and well, let's just say, as stock as it looks, it's nowhere near stock. It's fully built. I'm gonna show you guys, and we're gonna go for a ride in it. And that's kind of what I'm trying to build my Mustang, you know, based off, is this car. So it's gonna be pretty interesting to see how fast this thing is. Never been in it, never been on a ride in it. All I know, it's really fast. I'm gonna show you guys all the engine components, everything in it. I'm gonna give him a watch because, you know, he's a good friend of mine. So he just came by. We're gonna show him the car, see what he thinks. It's his first time seeing my Mustang. So let's go have a beautiful video. Whoop.
Give me the race stars.
Oh, the race stars. Oh, for your car?
Tomorrow. Yep.
Oh man. Oh yeah. I kind of need new tires though. Dude, I love having them on my car. It's just that I roll race. Oh. Yeah, they're bad.
Yeah.
Like, those were literally one run, but a little bit of a driving on them.
How long do they last?
Bro, I've only did one run with them. Literally one burnout with them. But I've been driving on them a lot. So that driving wears out a lot, you know. Mickeys, oh my god, they wear out so fast. But I do a lot of road racing, so I just got these. But these are expensive, bro. I paid $742 for these. You know, the only thing is, if you have on a 20, everything is more expensive.
Yeah, you gotta say.
Those are brand new, you know.
On the 17, I saw these for like $2 something.
Yeah, on 17s, those are like $250.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know, I'm gonna have to eventually get them before the summer ends, before I go to the track, probably like next month, because I need it to cool down, man. It's too hot right now. It's like 85 degrees, 90 sometimes. It's too hot.
Especially at the track.
But like having now this Mustang, it's like I don't know what to buy and what to not buy.
Well, race cars are universal, man. I like those.
Oh yeah, but do you think they'll fit on here, the same ones?
No.
No, that's the problem. So I don't know. I'm kind of focused on this build, but I don't want to forget about her.
This one. Well, this
so,
one already kind of built, man.
Oh, it's done. It's done right now, you know.
The nitrous?
It's done. I just need to put E85. That's the only thing. It runs on race fuel here and there.
These two cars got two totally different bolt patterns.
Oh yeah, totally different. These cars are, like, in general totally different. Like, just, it sounds pretty good. Like, it has that active exhaust. Did you agree? Did you go in there?
Yeah, I saw it. I like how the light pulsates, man. It's so different. They so the same, but so different.
Dude, my favorite part is the digital dash.
Oh, that dash is something else, man.
Go in there. Go turn it on and play with the exhaust. It's so noticeable.
It was different.
Yeah, I love the seats. Are my favorite part.
These were curls. Dope.
Right? That's the premium leather. Hey, that's normal. Put it on track. Go to the Mustang symbol. Right here. Everything is here. Oh, we gotta click OK. Mustang symbol. Come down here. Oh, well, what am I doing? Oh, just go back. Mustang symbol. Exhaust mode. It gets a little louder. Rev it up a little bit. Not bad for a stock. It sounds okay to me. But right.
Oh, I need that one though.
Right? The quiet is. Did you put it in quiet?
Yeah.
The quiet's the best if you're going home at night, cause you're so loud. Yeah. Enough about this car. Let's look at yours. So Jay is about to pop the hood. He's gonna talk about what's done to his car, because this is kind of my inspiration behind me getting my Mustang. And then we're gonna go for a ride and see how it feels. And then we're gonna give it a nice little car wash. So let's see what's under. Look how stock it looks like. It's not even. This should be illegal. The way he keeps it so stock looking. But look what's under here. Oh, it is not stock whatsoever over here. So okay. Which Whipple is this?
This is the Gen 1 2.9 Whipple.
Isn't there a new one that just came out?
Yep, there's the Gen 2, then there's the Gen 3 that fits the 18s.
Okay, so that's what I'd probably most likely put on mine. Because I remember somebody told me to get the new one that just came out. And I don't know too much about Whipples because I'm kind of new to this Mustang world.
So
and
when Whipple came out with the new systems, they don't have a 2.9 no more. For the 18, it's a 3.0.
Woo!
So
it's a bigger blower.
Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of intake is this?
This is the Whipple intake.
Oh, the Whipple intake. That's what you're talking about. What I was gonna get. Okay, cool.
So when I first got this car, you know, I was gonna do like a little cold air intake and all that whatnot stuff. But then I thought about it, like, okay, I'm gonna put a blower on here.
Right.
And when they put a blower in, they put a whole new intake. So at first when I first got this car, I did the Whipple. I had the stock throttle body because I was just getting acquainted with fast cars, and I kind of got tired of that. So then we upgraded to a 132mm throttle body. What else did we do? We did the ARH headers, no cats, Corsa Extreme exhaust, and we did a boost pump.
So all that right now? So you don't have a fuel system?
No fuel system.
Are you running on 93?
93.
Okay.
No fuel system.
This thing on E85 is going to be just nasty.
Oh my gosh.
You still haven't even put it on E85? Nope. Oh man, Mike his is on E85, and I know his ran really well. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
85, you need to do the Fords Innovations. You got to do the ID 1300s or the 1050s. But I rather
1300s if you're running 85.
Yeah, because I mean,
because you're gonna need them. Because I know on the Hellcat you need 1300s if you're running 85.
Yeah. Wow,
this thing is like, you can't tell. Look at the wheels you got. Guys, he has other wheels at home. He just has these because it just came out of winter storage. But it just looks like it came off the lot right now. and you wouldn't even know that it has this. It's an auto, right?
Yes, sir.
You got to start this bad boy. I know it was loud when you came in.
Cover your ears, man.
Is it gonna be that loud?
No, it's not gonna be that loud. But if it was a cold start, it would.
Wow, it's so loud. I'm talking about this. Let's go actually take it for a ride and see what this bad boy can do.
Well, I'm on 235 tires. When I was on my Nittos, I could do like a good 50.
Oh, so these cars are good at 50-year-olds?
Depends on the tire, how much power you want. You need to high your suspension handles, but with those, did you get the Magna Ride too? It's good for track, but I mean.
Oh, that's the only thing I didn't get.
Oh, you're good.
I don't really track my cars. Wow. Oh my God. This thing sounds so good. So what exhaust are you running?
Corsa Extremes.
Corsa
Yeah, as soon as you put it back to normal, it cuts off. Back to normal.
When he puts it in sport mode, it just changes to a whole another car.
Oh yeah.
It's ridiculous. And you have headers, right?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I'm just soaking in all this info. So when I go get my car done, you know, make sure you guys comment what you guys think of it. What from this car should I add to my Mustang? You gonna give us another pull? You gonna give us another pull? Wow, it sounds so good. Oh, his car looks so stock. I was just telling him like I know a lot of people, like especially Scat Packs, you know, because Scat Packs always think they can mess with 5.0s, and I know how it is. I had a Scat Pack. So when you look at this Mustang, the wheels look like just stock. Some base model wheels. The car is not that, you know, it's not that dark tint. It looks really stock. Stock tires. They tend to want to pick with this, and let me just tell you guys, if you see this, do not play around with it, because this thing is so fast. You would never know what's under the hood, because this car is just like, there's so much money put into it, it's not even funny. Would you say you have at least 20 in here?
About that.
At least 20 grand in this car. You would never know that by just looking from the outside. Alright guys, so the car's running on 9 pounds of boost. It's making 710 to the wheels, still on 93. So let me tell you guys, once this is on 85, like kind of what I'm planning on doing.
14, 15 PSI.
Okay, and how much is that to the wheel? Almost 8?
About that.
About 8 to the wheels in a car that weighs 3,700 pounds. Now that is pretty fast. So now I'm about to give it a quick wash just because it is so dirty. Alright guys, there it is. We cleaned it up and shined it for him. Looks a lot better than it came.
Oh, yeah.
I see a lot of concerns and comments, so I like to bring them up during videos to just answer you guys' question. So when we road race, where my passenger would go 1, 2, 3. The reason it's fast counting is just because it's not supposed to be easy. When you're at the track, does the lights go in slow motion? No, it's not supposed to be easy. It's supposed to be, you're supposed to have a reaction time. Same thing with 1, 2, 3. You're supposed to go on 3. It's not supposed to be easy. We don't do 1, 2, 3. People are building a boost. People are ready to go. They're not trying to sit there and wait for you to count really slow. So that's how we do it in Michigan. You know, and a lot of you guys that say that probably have never raced in your life. You've probably just ran, you know, a friend or something. You've never really raced. These people race for money, and that's how they count. So you might not understand it, but that's how we do it. So I don't want people thinking like I just do that and we just count, you know, fast. That's just how it is. That's how people, that's how it's supposed to be, competition of who goes first, who gets a better reaction, as who can react to the counting really fast. One last thing, a lot of you guys are wondering, why is the Mustang an auto, right? And a lot of you guys are like, oh, you're not a man, get a manual, this and that. Well, listen, if you guys want a manual, go buy it on your own. It's my car, it's what I want, and that's just how it's gonna be. Like, this is my YouTube channel, I get to buy whatever I want. And the reason I got auto is because the whole point of this new 18 Mustang and why it's so much faster is because of the 10-speed. Otherwise, I'd just be buying a 17 Mustang and it'll be slow. The manual is not the same as the 10-speed, guys, and I do a lot of racing, so I'm not the best manual driver. A lot of you guys who say get manual don't know how to drive manual really well. You have to literally be the best manual driver to race these autos and try to beat them. Like, if I was to race a Scat Pack or anything, and me going against that 8-speed is just impossible. They shift like clockwork. So that's why I got the 10-speed, because I race my car and I'm not really good at, you know, driving manual. There's only like a few people that I know how to do that. A lot of people have manual, but they don't know how to drive it really well. So there's no point of me trying to get a manual. So that's why I went with the 10-speed, and it's something new that Ford is trying on, and why not to get it? It'll be fun. It'll be a fun build, and it's better than a manual to me personally, just because it's my car and it's my build. So that's kind of why I went with the 10-speed. Alright guys, with that being said, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Merch is dropping pretty soon. We just hit 22,000 subscribers in such little time, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys. The Mustang build is gonna continue. We're gonna have some fun. We're at 245 miles. We're gonna hit 500 pretty soon, then we're gonna get some races going. We're gonna put it on a dyno, have all that good fun stuff before we start modding it. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and I appreciate the support. I mean, you guys are amazing. Thank you guys for your comments. Thank you guys for those who don't skip the ads. I never really push that, but Tall Guy Car Review does, and he kind of got me to start pushing it. As I don't try to bring it up as much, but I appreciate those who don't skip the ads. You know, I don't try to ask that from you guys, but if you don't, I appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. So thank you guys for your support. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the, you know, thumbs up button. Go subscribe if you haven't subscribed to join the family and be part of something great that we're building here. And I will see you guys next upload, which is tomorrow at 5 p.m. Stay tuned for that. Love you guys. Peace.